Annyeonghaseyo Yorban, I'm Ahmad, your Korean language teacher. Today our class is about chapter number 4. Dongchak is action, Gwa is and, Samul is objects. Ohvi is vocabulary, vocabulary number 1. Ilsang Kwalyon is daily life, Dongchak Dongsa. Dongsa is verbs. Il Hada, doing work. Khongbu Hada, to study. Undong Hada, to exercise. Chonwa Hada, to call. Yuri Hada, cooking. Shopping Hada, to shop. Shida, take rest. Chada is to sleep. Khada is go and Oda is come. Another word only Hada is doing, do. There are two types of verbs in Korean language. One is ended with da and one is ended with hada. In these pictures, you will notice some are ending with hada like il hada, khungbu hada, undong hada, chonwa hada, shopping hada, yuri hada. These are ended with hada. So they are hada format, and other than they are only da format. Now we will complete this exercise. The first is shida. Shida is take rest. Second is undong hada, exercise. Third is chada, sleep. 4 is kongbu hada, study. And 5 is yori hada, cooking. Now our munpab grammar number 1 is ayo, oyo and heo. Actually, this is present tense. In Korean, if you want to make present tense, you will add ayo, oyo and heo at the end of your sentence. If the verb ended with a and o, you will add ayo. If the verb ended with other than a and o, then you will add oyo. And in hada format, as I explained earlier, hada format, you no need to notice these things. Just put heo at the end of your sentence. Carlo Sheenan, chayo. Actual word is chada. You cut da. After that, in the end, we have a. So we are adding ayo at the end, and this is doubling. You cannot double. Okay, just say chayo. Carlo is sleeping. Puong Shinan il heo. Actually, this is hada format. Just put heo. Puong Shinan il heo. Puong is doing work. Yusuf Shinan Khungbu heo. This is also hada format. You will add just heo at the end. Khungbu heo. Yusuf is studying. Now we will complete these present tenses. Chada is word form, and we have 3 choices: ayo, oyo and heo. As I explained, our word is ended with a, so we can add ayo. This is chayo. Chayo is sleeping. Number 1, khada, khayo. Number 2, oda. Oda is actually oda. After cut da, we have o. This is ended with o, so we add ayo. And in the attachment ayo, we are attaching this. So our word will be vayo. Number 3, Shida is taking rest. In the end, we have not a and o, so we add only oyo. Shioyo. Number 4, Chada. Chada is ended with a, so we add ayo. Number 5, Chonwa hada. This is ended with a hada, so we just add heo at the end. Chonwa heo. Khungbu hada is study, so we add only, because this is also a hada format, we add only heo. Okay. Now we have an exercise in Phogi. There is a picture. Chigam mo heo, what are you doing now? This is undong hada. So the hada format, just put heo. Undong heo, I'm doing exercise. In the number 1, this is chada, we can say chayo. Chayo. Number 2, Shida Shioyo. Number 3, Yuri Hada. This is Hada format. Just you can say Yuri Heo. Number 4, Chonwa Hada. This is also Hada format. You can say Chonwa Heo. Now, our first theva, let's start our listening.
다라 씨는 뭐 해요?
Thara Shinan. Chigam. Mo Heo. Mo is what? Heo doing. What he is doing.
다라 씨는 요리해요.
Thara Shinan Yuri Heo. Thara is cooking. Yuri Hada. Then we make Yuri Heo.
니찬한 씨도 요리해요?
Nichanan Shito. To is also. Nicha is also. Yuri Heo. Cooking.
아니요. 니찬한 씨는 운동해요.
Aniyo no. Nichanan Shinan Undong Heo. Undong Heo is exercise. So Nicha is exercising. Now we have two questions. Thara Shinan Mo Heo. What Thara is doing? Thara Shinan Yuri Heo. Our answers is here. Number 2, Nichanan Shinan Undong Heo. So our answer is ne. We add ne. Nichanan Shinan Undong Heo. So we have some practice about present tense. There are two pictures and have some words. Khungbu Hada. Yujin Shinan Mo Heo. What Yujin she is doing? Yujin Shinan Khungbu Heo. Yujin she is studying. Madhu Shinan Mo Heo. What Madhu is doing? So our second word is here. Madhu Shinan Il Heo. Hada format we convert only Heo. Now we will make our conversation with these words. Yujin Shinan Mo Heo. Yujin Shinan Yuri Heo. Madhu Shinan Mo Heo. Madhu Shinan Shioyo. Madhu is taking rest. Now there is a pronunciation. Just listen.
1. 의자,
Uija,
의미,
uimi,
의지.
uichi.
2.
Number 2,
희망,
himang,
흰색,
hinsek,
띄어쓰기.
tiosugi. Now we have vocabulary number 2. There are some category wise vocabulary. The first one is mokda, to eat. Phab, rice. Pang, bread. Sagwa, apple. And khwaja is snacks like biscuits, your lays, your chips, like this. Now the second category is mashida. Mashida is drinking. Mul, water. Juice, juice. Uyu is milk and coffee is coffee. Now poda. Poda is to watch. Television. And television is television and Yonghua is movie. Ikta is read. Check, book. Shinmun is newspaper. We also have two other vocabulary words. Shigam is now and onel is today. So ilkoyo we have check and we also add shinmun here. In mogoyo we have pub. We can add here sagwa and pang also. Now mashoyo is drinking coffee. Then we can add uyu and juice. Phayo is to watch yonghwa. Then we can add here drama, television, like this. Now we have munpab number 2. This is al and ral. If you have a sentence which have a verb, then you will put al and ral with your subject, with your noun. If your noun ended with a consonant, you will add al. If vowel, then you will add ral. If pachim is so, pachim is actually consonant. If consonant, then al. If the last letter is not consonant other than consonant like vowel, then you will add ral. There are some examples. Wangmin 씨는 밥을 먹어요. In 밥을, pub is the last letter is B up. Then we add al. 밥을 먹어요. Wangmin she is eating rice. 지아 씨는 지금 책을 읽어요. In the check there is consonant kiak. 책을 읽어요. Chia is reading a book. Min Aung 씨는 오늘 is today. Yonghwa is movie, and in the last we have vowel, so we add ral. Yonghwa를 봐요. Min she is today watching movie. So there are some words in our exercise. First we add word, then we add al and ral with our word, then we complete our sentence. In the first, there is payo. Payo is to watch. We can add here television in number 1. In the television, there is nian at the end, so we will add televisional. Payo. Watching TV. Number 2, ilkoyo. Ilkoyo is to read. We add check. In check, there is consonant kiak in the end, so we add al. Checkal ilkoyo, book reading. Number 3, there is ilkoyo, also ilkoyo, so we add shinmun in number 3. In shinmun, there is last letter is nian. This is also a consonant. We add al. Shinmunal ilkoyo, reading a newspaper. Number 4, there is mashoyo. Mashoyo is to drink. We add juice in number 4. In the juice, there is a vowel, so we add ral at the end. Jusural mashoyo, drinking juice. Number 5, also mashoyo, so we add mul in number 5. Mul, there is real at the end. This is a consonant. We add al. Mullal mashoyo, drinking water. In number 6, there is mogoyo, and pub in the last. Pub, the last letter is p up. So we add al at the end. Pabal mogoyo, eating rice. So we have an exercise with a phogi. The phogi is pang. Wangmin shi chigam mohyo. Wangmin, what are you doing now? In the last we have a consonant iyang, so we can add al at the end. Pangal mogoyo, I am eating bread. So with the mul, we can say mul lal ma shoyo. Mullal mashoyo, there is a consonant. That's why we add al. Number 2, copy. This is a vowel, then we add ral. Copiral mashoyo. Check. This is a consonant. Check al. Ilkoyo. Sagwa. The last is vowel. Sagwaral mogoyo. Khwaja. Vowel. Khwajaral mogoyo. Shinmun, consonant. There is a consonant, so we add shinmunal ilgoyo. Yonghwa ended with a vowel. Yonghwaral payo. Uyu ended with a vowel. Uyural mashoyo. Now we have thevar number 2. Let's listen.
왕민 씨, 지금 뭐 해요?
Wangmin shi 지금 뭐해요? What are you doing now?
저는 텔레비전을 봐요.
저는 I televisional. I am television. 봐요 is watching. I am watching TV.
푸엉 씨도 지금 텔레비전을 봐요.
푸엉 씨도 you are also to is also 지금 now television TV. 봐요, are you also watching a TV?
아니요. 저는 밥을 먹어요.
아니요, no. 저는 I'm 밥을 먹어요. I'm eating. There are two questions. 왕민 씨 지금 뭐 해요? 왕민 씨는 지금 what he is doing? 텔레비전을 봐요. Our answer. 부엉 씨는 지금 텔레비전을 봐요. 부엉 is now watching TV. We can say 아니요. 밥을 먹어요. Our answer is 아니요. 밥을 먹어요. So there is also a exercise with two pictures. The first pictures made with these words. So we will make our sentences with these words. First of all, of this conversation, Chahara she 지금 뭐 해요? What Chahara is doing? Number one, our word is 책을 읽다. 저는 책을 읽어요. I am reading book. Chinsu she 뭐 해요? What Chinsu is doing? Number second, we have 커피를 마시다. We can say 저는 지금 I'm now 커피를 마셔요. I am drinking a coffee now. Now we will make our sentence with these words. Chahara 씨는 지금 뭐 해요? What Chahara is doing? 저는 사과를 먹어요. I am eating apple. Chinsu 씨는 뭐 해요? What Chinsu is doing? 저는 지금 영화를 봐요. I am watching a movie. So there is a 표현 daily life expression. Let's listen.
어서 오세요.
어서 오세요 is welcome.
어서 오세요. 뭐 찾으세요?
어서 오세요 welcome. 뭐 what 찾으세요? What are you looking for?
주스 한 병 주세요.
Juice is juice. Han is one. 병 is bottle. 주세요. Give me. So give me one bottle of juice.